You're totally so in for a treat because in this video, I am going to uncover a personal secret of mine that allowed me to generate up to a staggering $1,000 every single day without really doing anything much. Now don't get me wrong, this won't make you an overnight millionaire, and for sure, this will not just require you to lay around and do nothing all day. Instead, I will teach you what you can do to jumpstart an income stream that will produce thousands of dollars every single day without constant and active management. Well, what do you say? Are you in or not? Well, of course you are, because with a method as amazing as this one, there's no way you turn this opportunity down. I'm telling you, this only comes once in a blue moon, so you better grab it while you can. But before we get right into the video, welcome to WealthMatic, your regular dose of wealth and millionaire inspiration. Here we talk about everything related to money, wealth, and success. Fast track your wealth and get more life-changing, mindset-shifting, and great content regularly. Only right here on this channel. If you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe for more money content by clicking the icon below. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you can't wait to get your hands on this method. But hold that excitement right there because I want to tell you a little something before we delve deep into the video. So just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Surely I have immersed myself in the world of finance for quite a long time already, so you better take all my advice with a pinch of salt. If you happen to be experiencing some serious problems, then it's best to seek professional help from a financial expert. Now I have something to tell you before we get right into the video. I actually haven't opened my account with the website I'm gonna tell you in a while for a few months already. I don't even remember when was the last time I did something grand with it. However, despite my lack of activity per se, the platform still manages to grant me tons of money online. Like I told you a while ago, it allowed me to generate $1,000 per day. In all honesty, this is truly one of the best methods to earn fat stacks of cash effectively. When I first knew all about how this works as well as the massive potential that came along with it, my jaw literally dropped to the floor. I have never seen such a way like this, where everything comes in so easy, accessible, and convenient. So with that said, how do you do this? Well, there are lots of ways to go around with this method, so without further ado, let's get right into the basics. The very first thing that you should know is that the website I am referring to in this video is Shopify. Shopify is basically an online platform where you can build your own e-commerce website very easily. It is trusted by millions of businesses worldwide with the likes of Brooklyn Museum, Coco and Breezy, CC's Closet, and many more. Knowing about this fact, there can really be no doubt about this website's legitimacy and integrity, so rest assured that you're totally in good hands. Simply set up your Shopify store through following the steps mentioned right here on this page. Anyway, once you have successfully built your own store, your job now is to start forging an effective technique that will commence the production of passive income. First, you should aim for an increase in reach through Google rankings. You need to make your store known to the greater population so that more and more people can get to know your brand better and deeper. The thing about this is that you cannot execute this perfectly on your own. If you happen to be an SEO expert that's fully proficient in optimizing your store's presence in the World Wide Web, then you have essentially nothing to worry about. However, if you are unfamiliar in this area, then I strongly recommend hiring an SEO expert. An SEO expert will help you to build a better store for you where you can place higher in the Google rankings. Like I mentioned a few seconds ago, you can make your website more popular to the masses through search engine optimization or SEO. And who better to perform that job than an SEO expert, right? It's going to cost you only a few bucks, and overall, it's worth it. You are going to need this so that you will have someone that works your website from the inside and out and allow it to be shown in Google's algorithm. Second, get more people to talk about your website. Nothing can beat the spread of information through word of mouth. Some people say that words and news spread like wildfire when many people talk about it at the same time. This will create a chain reaction where news about your website is being spread to hundreds of people every single day. One way to get this done is through having your website be posted on a blog site. Hiring a blogger or a writer to post something about your store will surely get the ball rolling. And by the way, you should crowdsource bloggers who hold bigger influence yet ask for a manageable pay rate. Having your website and blogs creates something that's called a backlink. A backlink is basically having your website be known to Google, where it will then drive its system to place it in the more popular feeds through a much better algorithm. This will further enhance your website's fame as it can increase exposure to millions of users on Google. Before we proceed to the next steps, let me give you this period of time to hit that like button if you enjoyed the content so far. And also, tell us what you think and leave a comment down below if you find this video interesting. Now enough with that, and let's get back to the video. Third, don't be afraid to spend some money on ad production. Pretty much like word of mouth, letting users view ads regarding your store will allow them to be more inclined to visit your website. The more they see ads about your store, the more inclined they will be to take a quick look at what you have to offer. Now there's one thing I want to tell you about ad production. Surely there are tons of platforms on the internet where you can incorporate your ads. However, as a beginner, it's best to only focus on one platform at the time being before heading on to other platforms. This will secure your proficiency in managing what's best for your store in that specific platform. One thing that comes to mind is TikTok. There's no doubt that TikTok has been exuding greatness in terms of usage and viewership. Millions of people all over the world are actively using TikTok as an app to watch short videos and just to have fun in general. In light of this, you are going to take advantage of this opportunity by mastering ad production on TikTok. This will allow your brand to be more well known to viewers on the platform, all in the same goal of encouraging them to visit your store and purchase your products and/or services. But if you wish to go to the safe and traditional way where everything is proven and tested, then you've got Facebook ads on standby. Personally, my mighty moneymaker is Facebook ads, as I have been using it for quite some time already. I guess it's safe to say that I have fully mastered how Facebook ad works, which fundamentally boosted my website by a long shot. You need to only focus on one ad set and present information based on the marketing itself so that your ads will be straight to the point with bold details presented right there and then. Keep in mind that not everything works the same way as everybody. Therefore, take your time in finding out what's best for you in various ways, such as doing more and more research, asking help from experts, and through your own trial and error methods. Now we are on to the very last thing that I want to share with you in making yourself an expert in the world of Shopify. This is actually the most important thing to consider, yet a lot of dropshippers fail to recognize this. If you wish to generate huge lumps of money through Shopify, then you must allocate enough energy, time, and resources to create products with the highest quality. You can never attain true success if you're just offering something in the bare minimum. If you're reselling something, then it's best to do a background check on your supplier so that you can ensure that the products you'll be selling are of the highest quality. They must suit well to the price that you're demanding so that consumers will think of your products as something affordable. Furthermore, you should also be a good seller through providing good customer service with fast response times and through being hospitable. Aside from this, you must also ensure that your consumers can have a smooth and organized checkout process, where the delivery time is decent. One can never wait long months just to receive a single package. Thus, look for courier companies who offer the best shipping times with a decent price. Not only will the customers be fully satisfied with the product itself and your services, they will also grow more interest in your brand, thus making them a loyal client. And that is basically it for this entire video. Check out other videos on my channel if you are interested in money-making content just like this one. If you have completed the video, hit the like button and tell us what you think in the comments down below. We would surely love to hear what you think, and we would highly appreciate questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post something new. And that is it for today. See you in the next video.